Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. In previous video, I talked about list in Python. In this video, I will teach nested list and list comprehensions. Before coming to this video, I would recommend you to watch my previous video, which is list in Python, and then come back to this video. Because when you have the basics of list, you can easily understand nested list and list comprehensions. So guys, I'm requesting you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Right now, let's begin the lecture. So guys, we have the agenda here. So first, we'll discuss nested list and then we'll see the list comprehensions, right? So first up we have nested list. The meaning of nested list is a list in another list, or else we can also call it as a list within another list. So now let's see a practical example. So here you can see I have a normal list. In the normal list I have this. For the A I have given integers, for the B I have given string values like ABC, and for the C I have given boolean values true or false. It is a normal list. You can see here with this normal list I have created a nested list. A list is my variable name. Here you can see first I have taken one list, I mean the square brackets. In the list I have passed this list and this list. You can see here. It is known as nested list, right? We are combining our list into the one list. So now let's create a nested list. Now you can see I'm taking the same variable lst, but the values are different. First I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to take some strings A, B, and C, and I'm going to take a string Python and one more list. This time I'm passing float values. Let's print our list. The type of list is type of lst is list, right? Here you can see while we are checking the type of our lst, it is giving only list because it won't give nested list. Nested list is a concept under the list. The type of variable always gives only the list only, right? So now let's see the length of our lst. You can see it has 6 items. 1, 2, 3. Up to here we have 3, and then it is one item, it is one item, and it is one item, right? So now let's perform indexing. So I want to get this complete list. So let's see the indexing 0, 1, 2, 3. lst of 3. You can see I got this complete list. It is one element in this list. In this list we have the sublist. It is a sublist, but I want to get this B from this list. So here you can see first we have to access this list, and then we have to access this B with the indexing. First we got this list. The indexing of B is 0, 1. 1 is the index for B, and now give here a 1. Now you can see I got this B. Like that, give here 0. I got A, and give here 2. I got C. But when I give 3, you can see it is not getting anything. Index out of range. That means we don't have index 3 in this list. So now I want to get this complete list. The index of that list is 5. You can see I got this. Now I want to get this 5.6. Pass 1 here. I got 5.6, right? So now I want to change this all alphabets to capital. Let's see how can I do that. List of 3, and then I want to pass values A, B, and C. Yeah. Now you can see I replaced small values to the big values, right? But now I want to change only this capital B to the small b. So first access the list. Yeah, I got this list from the main list, and now I want to get this B. Yeah, I got this B. Now I want to change this index B. Give here B. Now you can see the capital B is changed to the small b. Like this you can change the elements in the list. So guys, you have to remember that it's a very simple concept, guys. First we have the normal list, and then we are adding into the one list. Next up we have list comprehensions. Before starting the definition, firstly I'm going to give you a scenario where we can actually use the list comprehensions, and then we'll come back to this definition, right? Firstly, I'm going to write a program that prints even numbers. For in range 10 numbers, if I percentile 2 equal to 0, that means I want to print I, or else leave it. Now you can see it is printing only the even numbers, right? Here you can see I wrote this program within a 3 lines, but I want to do it in a single line. So I have this list comprehensions to make it in a single line. So you can see here, first I'm going to define a variable x. For x in range of 10, if I percentile 2 equal to 0. So guys, you can see here it is not I, it is x. Yeah, now I got this even numbers within a single line. I want to remove this variable. Yeah, now you can see I got this even numbers in 3 lines, but here you can see I got this even numbers within a single line. It is a difference between a normal code and list comprehensions. So this list comprehensions is going to reduce our time, right? Now let's see the definition. In Python, provide a concise way to create list by performing an operation on each item in an existing iterable, like example list, tuple, or range. Optionally, applying a condition to filter elements. List comprehensions are powerful and readable way to generate new list, making your code more compact and expressive. With this list comprehension, we can make our code more compact and expensive. So guys, I want you to ignore these 2 lines for now. It is not important for now. So now let's see the syntax. The syntax is, it is a new list. I mean the variable for this list. First you have to give this enclosing square brackets. It is the expression for loop and the item in iterable if condition, right? Here you can see it is the output and the collection and condition. I want to do this for this collection, I mean the for loops. Suppose in my for loop I have these 5 conditions, so I want to do this for 5 times. And then the condition means in this situation, right? Here you can see it is the output we are getting output from this x. For x in range, here I'm giving range 5. If this condition, it is optional, I got this even numbers 0 to 4. Here you can see I'm not giving any condition. It is printing 5 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? The condition is optional. So now let's try to break down this syntax. So firstly you have to remember that it is the order, you have to do it. So first expression, we have the expression. Expression is the operation or transformation you want to apply to each item in an iterable, right? This is going to apply for this collection or for this for loop. The item represents an element in the iterable. So this item will represent an element in the iterable. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are all our items. This x in this collection, in this range. The iterable is the source data from which new list is generated. The condition is used to filter the elements from the iterable based on a specific condition. It is optional, but this is required to create this list comprehension. So guys, you can see here I've taken the 2 same variables, but you can see I'm taking 2 different variables. Yeah, it is giving name y is not defined. The rule is you have to take the same variable before the for and after the for. Yeah, now you can see I'm getting this, right? Here you can see taken the condition equal to 0. Here you can see I've taken the condition after the for loop, but I want to take the condition before the for loop. You can see it is not executing. So guys, you can see here I've given if condition before the for loop. It is giving error, but I want to give it after the for loop. Yeah, you can see it is giving the right output, but here I'm going to give one else statement. Else I want to print out. You can see here it is giving error. That means if you want to use both if and else statements, so give it before the for loop. Yeah, it is executing. 0 to 4 are the even numbers and the remaining are 1 and 3 are odd numbers, right? So you have to remember that if you want to give only one if condition, try this one. It is rule 1. It is rule 2. If you want to use both if and else, it is for only if. Here I want to make some changes. You can see here for the expression and the item I have taken the same variable, but for the if condition I have taken another variable. Yeah, you can see it won't execute because it is not defined. So give here x. It is giving the output. It is a condition you have to remember. First the x variable for x in range. So guys, I want to give some more examples for you to clear this concept. I want to print one number for 5 times. Yeah, I'm giving a list. Here I've taken 1 for I in range 5. Now you can see it is giving 1, right? In this place we can give numbers, we can't give the symbols, only we can give the numbers. 0 also it is getting, but I want to give different variable. Now you can see it is giving the error. You can use only the same variable name, but if you want to generate same numbers for multiple times, use the numbers. Yeah, I'm getting these numbers. If x equal to 1, I want to print the x. Otherwise I want to print 10 for x in LST. Here you can see I'm iterating through the list, but here I've given the range. So now this x is going to iterate through the list, and then if the condition matches, I want to print I in this x. If x not equals to the 1, I want to print 10, right? And then here you can see I have this another example. This list contains apple, banana, cherry, kiwi and mango. This contains only the fruits. You can see for x in fruits, if a in x, I want to print this new list. Here you can see here I've given a condition a. If a is present in these fruits, I want to print those fruits. A is present in apple, banana, mango. That's why it is printing apple, banana, mango. But here I want to give e. If e in x, I want to print the fruit. You can see the e is present in apple and cherry. Now I want to give some more examples for you. So I want to convert these fruits into the capital letter. So first remove this if condition. X dot upper. The items in the list. Now you can see it is converted to the uppercase. Now I want to give it to the lower. It is converted to the lowercase, right? Now I want this another example for you. So here I have given one more condition. Here I have given 2 conditions before the for loop. If you want to give 2 conditions, give it before the for loop, right? If x not equal to the banana, else orange, right? I want to change this banana to the orange. Here I have given a condition not equal. X not equal to the banana, else print the orange in the place of banana, right? Here you can see I have got orange, right? I want to print orange 2. You can see it is giving orange 2, right? So it is a concept you have to remember. It is a list sequence. First you have to pass the expression and the for loop and if condition, or else if you want to do the else condition, give the condition before the for loop, but the order should be the same, right? Here you can see we have the definition. Instead of explaining the definition, here you can see I have given lots of examples because I want to explain it with the examples only, not with the definition, because it is not the theory concept, it is the practical coding concepts. So you can see we have taken different examples here to understand this list comprehensions, and we have seen the nested list also. I want you to practice this list comprehensions with more examples. I hope you all like the video. So guys, I'm requesting you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button, right? And see you in the next video.